Ever wondered what powers the apps that manage your money? Have you ever used a budgeting app that seamlessly connects to your bank account? Maybe you've used a robo-advisor that analyzes your spending habits to recommend investments. These seemingly magical tools rely on a hidden hero, the financial data aggregator. Today, we're diving deep into one such aggregator, Flinks. We'll explore what they do, how they do it, and most importantly, how big is their team. Financial data can be a goldmine for fintech companies. It allows them to personalize your experience, offer targeted financial products, and even predict your future spending habits. But there's a catch: banks have notoriously strict security protocols. This means fintech companies can't just waltz in and grab your data. That's where Flinks comes in. They act as a bridge between you, your bank, and the financial apps you use. Here's the gist. You connect your bank account to a fintech app. The app securely sends a request to Flinks. Flinks uses your login credentials, encrypted, of course, to access your bank information. Flinks retrieves the requested data without actually seeing your account details. Flinks delivers the anonymized data back to the fintech app. This secure dance allows fintech companies to build innovative features without compromising your bank's security. Pretty cool, right? Now, back to the burning question: how many people make this financial magic happen? Unfortunately, unlike publicly traded companies, private companies like Flinks aren't obligated to disclose their exact employee count. However, we can dig into some clues to make an educated guess. First, let's consider Flinks' founding year, 2016. Startups typically start small and grow as they acquire funding and expand their services. Looking at their funding history, Flinks has secured over $13 million. This might not be a staggering amount compared to tech giants, but for a company focused on building a secure financial data infrastructure, it's a significant war chest. Next, let's consider their industry. Financial data aggregation requires expertise in cybersecurity, data engineering, and regulatory compliance. These specializations demand skilled professionals, which naturally translates into a larger team. Finally, we can look at competitor data. Plaid, a leading US-based data aggregator, has over 500 employees. While Flinks might not be as large, they operate in a similar space and likely require a comparable level of personnel to maintain their operations. Based on these clues, we can estimate that Flinks likely has a team somewhere in the range of 50 to 200 employees. It's a dynamic company with a growing user base, so it's safe to assume this number is steadily increasing. Flinks plays a crucial, yet often unseen, role in the fintech world. Their secure data aggregation empowers innovative financial apps to work their magic on your money. While the exact headcount remains elusive, one thing's for sure: Flinks boasts a team of talented individuals who are shaping the future of personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.